Lying in my bed, I hear the clock ticking. Think of you, caught up in circles. Confusion is nothing new. I was young, so much younger than today. Never needed anybody's help in any way. Now those days are gone. I'm not so self-assured. Now I'm glad I changed my mind. I've opened up the door. But that love falls apart. The little piece of heaven turns to dust. Listen to your heart when he's calling for you. Listen to your heart and listen hard. Winter's day, dream away. It must have been love, but it's over now. It's where the water flows. It's where the wind blows. Never to come to the sorrow. Never to cause you pain. Out of bed, why don't you come in on the Valerie? Why don't you come in on the Valerie? Valerie. Sipping on that. You're better than all the rest. You're better than anyone. Where it began, can't begin to know it, but then you know it's growing strong.